Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.